Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. I think I'm on the Ninja Creamy binge. So today I have a caramel ice cream for you, keto caramel ice cream, but again with a new twist. Of course, it's dairy-free, sugar-free, low-cal and low-fat. But the amazing part is the entire pint has only 90 calories and 0 fat. So let me show you what I'm talking about and do a taste test. So here's my pint of caramel ice cream. Rich, here you go. Can you see that lovely smooth texture? So I'm standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. I'm taking the NutriBullet container and I'm adding 300 milliliters of coconut milk. Not the can, not the fat one, just normal coconut milk that you get in a store. To this I'm adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of guar gum, and I've used Walden Farms caramel syrup because it's thick and it has the right color. You can use any company brand that you like. I'm not adding any added sweeteners. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt that goes in, and I'm using the sugar-free jello pudding, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of it, which translates into 8 grams. I'm going to give all this a good whiz in my NutriBullet, and this is what it looks like after. So I've put it in. Now it's a little below the line of the maximum fill line, so just add a little bit more of coconut milk to it and give it a little taste test. You're not adding any powdered sweeteners to this. You want to add a little bit more of the caramel syrup, you can. Now I've got these freezer stickers. I'm putting in the one that I put just a caramel sticker on it, and it goes into the freezer for 24 hours. And here we are after 24 hours. There's a little bump on top. I'm not worried about that. And in it goes into my Ninja Creamy, and I am doing it on sorbet. There's not that much of a difference in all the functions. So I feel it needs a respin, and after the respin, it's lovely and creamy. If you feel you need one more respin, just add a little bit of any liquid, a little more coconut milk, and that's all it needs. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye then.